Ezinsukwini ezimbalwa njengaphambi kokuvula kwezikole, ikomiti elibhekele ukusebenza kumnyango wemfundo esisekelo seliqale ukukhankasa wokuvakashela izifundazwe ezintathu njengoba namhlanje liqale eGauteng. Leli komiti lithi lenelisekile ngokuthi isifundazwe sesikulungele ukwamukela abafundi mhla ziyi-15 kuNhlolanja.
Gauteng is ready. We can confirm we are happy that they are ready to accept. The teachers actually have started today to accept the learners on the 15th, and they have guaranteed to us that there would be PEs in the form of a mask and in the form of a sanitizer.
Leli komiti liphinde laphakamisa nodaba lwemali engu-430 million ekhokhelwe izinkampani ezazifutha ngezibulali magciwane ezihlanza nezikole phakathi kukaNhlangulana noNcwaba nyakenye.
I've appointed the SIU. They've come back to me. I think actually they've started the interviews, if I'm not mistaken. They're already in the department investigating the matter. I'm glad when you get the report, we'll share with you. The Auditor General as well has acknowledged my letter. It's going to appoint people to come here. The Premier's office as well, I've written to the Premier's office to look at all these things.
Umnyango uthi ukusetshenziswa kwemali kwakuncike endleleni elandelwayo uma isikole sesibike ukuthi khona osethelelekile.
When a positive case was reported, there were standard operating procedures that were developed and that were approved. Initially, these standard operating procedures required that we do disinfection and deep cleaning in a specific way. And our response as a department was based on the standard operating procedure. So we did not deviate from what the health professionals and the standard operating procedures were saying.
Leli komiti lizophinde livakashele eKwaZulu-Natal kanye nase-Eastern Cape kuleli sonto.